Wish you very much happy good morning, you everyone. Once again, we are back here on your special platform, MAB Group of Institution, and today we are here with our first chapter second half, but this is the first part of that chapter. Which chapter have those name I'm telling you. So first of all, I want to tell you something. This is we have completed our Harappa and Indus Valley civilization, part number first, part number second, part number third. Now this part going to be completely for the part number first for Indus Valley. Oh, which one have Vedic culture? Yes, for Vedic culture part number first series, you will get to see the most important sections. You will see the most essential views. You will see most important PYQs, which will be unexpected level helpful for your examination. So you all one guys, please make sure that you have seen our last parts of that Harappa and Indus Valley civilization or not. Then we will continue this session series. So best luck to you everyone for your all the upcoming examination. I will take just a minute. You everyone just give me. I need chalk. Okay, clear. Okay, great. Now we are going to start a whole box. I have this. Okay, actually the reason, chalk need have very much. You thinking session started, after all he arranging chalk, so I'm very so sorry. Okay, no problem, let's continue session. Okay, so as per you all know, this is the chapter second of history. Chapter second, clear? No doubt. Chapter second, clear beta? Chapter second, name what have Vedic culture. What have Vedic culture? Clear? Vedic culture. Vedic culture is the chapter second half, and this is the part first half beta. Part first. Clear? Part first. Hope you all understand. Clear? Now start. Who was the first European? Number first question. Who was the first European? Who was the first European? Clear? Who was the first European designate Aryan? Designate, clear? Designate is spelling wrong. I started designate. Designate, clear? What happening today to me? Designate. Okay, who was the first European designate Aryan as a race? Aryan as a race beta. Clear? Have question on your screen, have question saying who was the first European designate Aryan a race beta. Clear? Have on your screen a question have, so answer here also have option number first. What saying beta? This understand William Jones beta. William Jones. Clear? Have William Jones beta. Clear? Have. And second question what have, this first have William Jones, second have H.H. Wilson beta. What have beta? H.H. Wilson beta. Clear? Have H.H. Wilson beta. And third number what saying beta, this understand H.H. Wilson. Third number Max Muller. Max Muller beta. Clear? Have Max Muller. And fourth number beta Journal Cunningham. Journal Cunningham. Clear? Have beta General Cunningham. Clear beta? On your screen this most important question of SSC CGL. This question has been asked beta. This question has been asked in SSC CGL 2006 beta. 2006 have this question of SSC CGL. Very interesting have this. Who was the first European designate Aryan a race? Option number first William Jones, option second H.H. Wilson, option third Max Muller, option third Journal Cunningham. So right answer will be number third beta. Max Muller have. Clear have? Max Muller is a first European who designed Aryan arrays. Clear? Clear beta? Number second question, and this question has asked by SSC CGL 2006 examination paper. Clear have? Second number question. The staple food of the staple food of the clear beta, the staple food of the Vedic period beta. Vedic, okay, Vedic Aryan was beta, right? Vedic Aryan was beta. Clear have? Question on your screen have the staple food of the Vedic Aryan was. Question number second have, and options on your screen going to be right. Number first, barley and rice beta. Clear have? Second number है beta milk and its product beta. Clear have? Its product beta. Clear have? Milk and its product beta. And second, that means third option what है beta? Third option है beta rice and pulses that is called pulses also, okay, even you thoughts are saying as vegetables and fruits beta. Vegetables and fruits beta. Clear have? On your screen questions visible. The staple food of the Vedic Aryan was. Very slowly understand. Staple food what है beta? Staple food of the Vedic Aryan. You looking all foods are staple food have. Clear? But here question for the Vedic Aryan only. Vedic Aryan staple food what है beta? So answers options are barley and rice have. Okay, just second, wait. Okay, so we will see here barley and rice option number first have. Option number second, milk and its product have. Definitely beta, milk and its product is a staple food have. Okay, milk and its product is the staple food have beta, which is of the Vedic Aryan beta. Clear है beta? Vedic Aryan. Number third saying beta rice and pulses beta. So rice and pulses silent. Rice and pulse is wrong है beta, and vegetables fruits have. Okay, vegetable fruits. Clear have? This also cancel. Second number here come Rudra. Okay, second number option is the right option. Clear? Okay, so you are looking here, the options are the given have. So the right answer is staple food of the Vedic period and Vedic Aryans what have beta? Milk and its product. Milk and its product misunderstanding you normally understand, like milk है beta. Clear? Yes, milk है beta, and milk its product means like curd have and beta ghee have. Okay, curd, ghee, and another is beta you are looking then here side very much things coming like what have those which coming. One second. Okay, curd have, ghee have, and which product have? Ice cream have, sweets have. Yes, and what product have? One those coming as ghee, one more product have. Similar ghee, one more product have. Name tell you, everyone make comment. I am not getting remember those name what have. Those coming in that kind of slice coming. Very good name have those. Butter, yes, butter have, ghee, butter, curd, sweets. And as similarities with product make through milk, those products was the staple food of the Vedic Aryans. Clear hai beta? Okay, hope you understanding very well level. Now moving for the next question. Okay, very good. Now number third question saying the battle of Mahabharat. Okay, the battle of Mahabharat. Clear? The battle of Mahabharat Clear. The battle of Mahabharat is believed to have been is believed to have been clear beta, is believed to have been fought at Kurukshetra for fought at clear fought at Kurukshetra for clear Kurukshetra for. Options on your screen. Thank you. Options on your screen. Come here. Come. He is a student tab. You are looking. I think you are unable to see his face. Few looking. Once I'm trying to lift him. Touch my hand. Touch. So he came to giving me gift during class. Okay. So thank you so much, beta. Thank you. Okay. So you are looking here. The battle of Mahabharat is believed to have been fought at Kurukshetra for. Option on your screen have beta. Option your screen have 14 days. 14 days. Option second on your screen have 16 days. 16 days. And option third have on your screen beta. Option third on your screen have 18 days. 18 days. And number fourth option have 20 days. Clear hai beta? 20 days. On your screen you are looking question saying beta, the battle of Mahabharat is believed to have been fought at Kurukshetra for 14 days, 16 days, 18 days or 20 days. Here the right answer will be number third option, that is 18th of days. Clear how? Okay, 18th of days. Done. Next question, number fourth word saying this understand. Fourth number saying which one of the following, maybe here not come. I will have to take full. Okay, wait. I'm trying. I'm making another question here. Very good. Who among the following clear beta, who among the following wrote Sanskrit grammar beta? Clear have Sanskrit grammar beta. Clear Sanskrit grammar beta. Clear have. Option is beta Kalidas. Second option on your screen beta what have Charka? Yes, Charka have. And third option on your screen beta Panini. And fourth option on your screen beta Aryabhatta beta. Clear have Aryabhatta beta. So question what saying beta, question understand, question asking who among the following wrote Sanskrit grammar. What hai beta? Who among the following wrote Sanskrit grammar beta? Option is beta Kalidas, option next is beta Charka, next Panini and then Aryabhatta. Right answer beta, right answer who wrote Sanskrit grammar. So right answer is beta Panini. Option number third is the right answer of this question. Next question, right beta. Question number fifth saying which river clear beta, which river has no matter, clear beta, which river has no matter, clear this A have, which river has no matter or mention right, because matter will be I think something different for our answer. No mention beta. Okay, no mention. Clear. Which river has no mention, clear, no mention in Rig Veda. Clear hai beta? Rig Veda. And option on your screen have beta Sindhu. And next option Saraswati beta. Clear have Sindhu, Saraswati. And another is beta Yamuna. And another is beta Periyar beta. Clear hai beta Periyar. Periyar. On your screen you are looking the question asking beta which river has no mention in Rig Veda beta. Means there are 3 rivers mentioned have and 1 river not mentioned have, which is in the option on looking. Number first is Sindhu not mentioned. Sindhu mentioned have beta. Okay, Sindhu mentioned have. Saraswati also mentioned have. Yamuna also mentioned have. Clear? Sindhu, Saraswati, Yamuna, these 3 rivers are mentioned in Rig Veda beta, but Periyar is 1 river have. Periyar, clear beta? Periyar 1 river have which is not mentioned in Rig Veda beta. Clear have? So the right answer will be option number 4 beta, Periyar. Clear have beta? So Periyar river not what have mentioned in beta Rig Veda. Clear have? Complete everyone. Okay, best of best luck. Do fast. Okay, clear. So we have seen here number 5th questions. Clear? Hope you everyone understood. Now we are going for moving for number 6th of the question, which is most important question for your basis level, next level question I will offer. Okay, so let's note down. It is clear. Okay, so we will see. Okay, clear? We will see and we will feel the essential part. We will clearly find. Okay, now we are moving for the number 6th question, which is here given have. Just second, wait. Okay, note down which one of the following, which one of the following, clear, which one of the following, clear है बेटा, which one of the following stages of the life man, stages of the life, okay, life man in Aryan society, man in Aryan society beta. Clear है? Understanding which one of the following stages of life man in Aryan society beta, society in ascending order of age in, come here, come what's come here, what saying Manya, what have, what is speaking, speak again. Happy, speak happy birthday. Thank you beta. One kissy, give here, one kissy, give. Thank you. Okay, so I am teaching. Okay, so you are looking here again came madam, sister of Rudranshi, have she coming to visit me because of today something have I not told you everyone. Okay, this is surprise have for you all. Okay, so you are looking option saying here which question, which one of the following stages of the life, clear, man in Aryan society in ascending order, clear, ascending order, clear have, ascending. I am so sorry you have disturbed my child because today have something, so they are coming to visit, so you guess what have. Okay, and is ascending order have, yes, ascending order of age is correct, of age is correct beta. Clear have? And here on your screen those ages I am writing. Number first, brahmacharya, clear, brahmacharya first, then after grihastha, number first brahmacharya, second grihastha, third number vanaprastha, and fourth number is beta sannyas. Clear have? Fourth number sannyas beta. Clear have? Sannyas beta. And next option beta grihastha, clear, grihastha, and then beta grihastha after brahmacharya, okay, brahmacharya after vanaprastha beta, and after that beta sannyas. Clear have? Sannyas beta. Clear have? Third number option your screen going beta brahmacharya, एंड नेक्स्ट बेटा ब्रह्मचर्य आफ्टर व्हाट है बेटा वनप्रस्थ, ब्रह्मचर्य वनप्रस्थ, ओ आई एम सॉरी नो राइट है वनप्रस्थ, एंड नेक्स्ट बेटा संन्यास, वनप्रस्थ आफ्टर संन्यास है बेटा, देन बेटा संन्यास आफ्टर व्हाट है बेटा गृहस्थ, व्हाट है बेटा गृहस्थ बेटा, गृहस्थ, क्लियर है, क्लियर बेटा गृहस्थ। नंबर 4th ऑप्शन से गृहस्थ, गृहस्थ एंड संन्यास, संन्यास एंड वनप्रस्थ, वनप्रस्थ एंड नेक्स्ट ब्रह्मचर्य, ब्रह्मचर्य, क्लियर है बेटा। क्वेश्चन ऑन योर स्क्रीन है विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेजेस ऑफ द लाइफ मैन इन आर्यन सोसाइटी इन असेंडिंग ऑर्डर एज इज करेक्ट बेटा। वन थिंग मोर आई वांट टू टेल यू, life of man in Aryan society very well have beta, they was living very excellence level beta। question here option given 4 have, question asking in ascending order correct mean mind, ascending order means beta smallest to greatest means right to I mean first step to second step, third step, fourth step as type you correct tell beta। option number first saying first number brahmacharya have, second number firstly they used to find brahmacharya, then they go for grihastha, then they go for the vanprasth, then they go for the sannyas। These are the stages of the Aryan society beta, clear है। first is beta brahmacharya have, then grihastha have, then vanprasth have, then sannyas have, means any child have before marriage they will be stay in the society, stay in the stage of brahmacharya, proper brahmacharya, then they will go for the grihastha life, that means the house living and family make, family grow, this life they have। after that they will go for vanprasth, vanprasth means understanding they will leave every of things, they will go in the outside to be devotee, become and else whatever have they can be dissolved at those level। then sannyas, sannyas means everything leave, just only go to the god and goddess, this is the life app। so first step brahmacharya, second step grihastha, third step vanprasth, fourth step sannyas है, clear। and another options are wrong have, because firstly grihastha doing then brahmacharya doing, wrong have here, firstly brahmacharya doing then directly vanprasth doing, this is also wrong have here, first number grihastha doing then second number sannyas taking, this is wrong have। definitely the right is beta first step is brahmacharya, second step grihastha, third step vanprasth, fourth step sannyas, clear है। any candidate has any kind of problem easily can make comment to ask, clear। we are moving for the next most important questions, hope you everyone enjoying session very well level। so may I erase the questions man okay, complete fast okay, clear है। so next question, okay, very good yes okay, so we have new question, just second give me a sentence 8 okay so I think in this session this is sufficient have, we will make another one session, just because reason you know which seat we have created here, our team has been created, their side not any issue have, not any problem have, everything is well okay have, but we are planning for more better more best, that's why few give better, give best, give advanced level, give which will be next level for you everyone, okay। thank you so much to everyone to join the special session, the next level session, and you will see the result, you will see the performance of us which we will offer to you all one, okay। so you just everyone focus on your planning basis of doing the best series, next level every of things you will get to see। I will offer you next level the questions which will be most important role play in your examination basis, we will increase timing duration also, questions step is also like in the session approximately questions, maximum questions I will offer you, so please, I'm requesting you everyone, just focus on your studies. You will get best response. So thank you so much. Best of luck. I am your Satya Misra on Best Institution for SSC. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Best of luck.